In this quick video, we are going to discuss vertex groups. You may have seen me use vertex groups in the modifiers video, but essentially what they do is they allow you to add a set of vertices to a group which can be used for many things in Blender. So just to give you a quick example, let's create a vertex group for the middle part of my mesh here. So if I Alt click and then Shift Alt click these faces, I can then come to our object data properties window here and then add a new vertex group using this plus icon and then click assign. So now if I deselect everything, instead of having to reselect these middle parts here, I can just click select and it has essentially stored these faces in memory through this group. So I don't have to worry about reselecting this manually. I can also deselect the faces, coming to this button here, deselect, or remove the faces from the group by clicking remove. And I can also delete the vertex group by coming here to the minus button and then clicking that. Vertex groups are also very important in animation, but I will cover that in a separate video series which goes into animation in Blender. Let's just keep this aimed towards 3D modeling at the moment. Some of the modifiers can also use vertex groups to limit the modifiers to that group. So for example, if I apply a solidify modifier to my mesh here, and then add our vertex group here, you can see it's only applying the solidify modifier to our vertex group. So hopefully you can see how this can aid us in our 3D modeling workflows. If you need to store specific parts of geometry in a group for easy reselection, you can do that using vertex groups. In the next video, we are going to cover rendering in more detail.